So I'm just going to go with, hey, welcome back to my channel. I filmed this intro about 6 times and I'm over it. I just want to get to it. I ordered the Soft Glam palette. I had to order it. I really, you know. Oh, let's open it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's kind of like a cashmere sweater almost. Let's open it. Boop. Okay, that was the plastic piece. It is so pretty. This one just speaks to me. I don't know. It is so pretty. Let me rub that out. Here's the palette. I was thinking I gotta get ready anyways. I'm really wanting to try this out. So why not do it with you guys? I already primed my eyelids. So I'm gonna go in with burnt orange first. How can you not? Okay. Into the upper crease. I always just dab before I blend. Just so I can see where, you know, I need to blend. I love this color so much. I really do. On camera, it's kind of washed out looking. I love burnt orange. I'm gonna bring it all the way down over here. Tap, 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 tap. Same thing. I love this color so much. You like it? Blend some more. What I just did, I mean, I'm using the same brush, but what I just did, I just took the brush and wiped it on a clean paper towel. I don't need to grab a new brush. I just wanted to take the, you know, intensity off? Is that a word? Oh, sorry for looking at myself. I'm just trying to figure out what to do next. Gosh, I didn't even look at this. This is a terrible review. No, it's kind of more like a, hey yo, I'm trying this out. Glam glow. Just never mind me. Where do we go from here? Looks at new palette and has no clue. So next, I'm going to go in with Sienna, one of my favorite colors as well. Ooh, mulberry. Look at this color. Oh my gosh, can you see it? Freak yeah, I'm gonna dig in. Heck yeah! I shouldn't, but I wanna. Loca. Oof. And I really think I got a little bit too much product on my brush. Crap. I'm gonna take the same brush I had used orange soda with and just basically go between those two colors and lightly kind of just, you know, swirl around, blend it out. Don't worry about this one. We're gonna get rid of that. It's always like a little thing with me. Terrible, isn't it? I'm not a makeup artist. I'm gonna take a clean brush, clean-ish brush, and just take my finger. Biggest rookie mistake ever. I don't know how to fix this. Dirty eye. Get it. Next, I'm gonna take this little brush right here. Wet it real quick. I didn't wet it, I soaked it. Like, liquid is running down the brush. Dipping into sultry. I have got to. So pretty. You know what? You can definitely use this as an eyeliner. Love the formula. Love, 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 love. Old, I don't even know what brush this is, but I need to blend this a little bit. Get it, try it, that's my verdict. Like, I applaud for the palette.